Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna how to fold a paper airplane called Elanus. If you hear the noise in the background, just don't mind it because my brother's just watching it. So let's get started. So first, get this paper and fold it in half, the shortest way you can. And you have to line the corners up and press down. Now your paper should look like this, or folded paper. It doesn't look clean. Then get this edge. Be sure it's the one that locks up right here. You fold it, and if you get stuck in here, or any step, because it's advanced. So if you get that, it should look like this. So basically, we're taking this corner, the one that locks up right here. We're folding it. So it can be sort of like this. Flatten that up. Now, you turn the paper around. Hold on. Yeah. So, we're going to get this, open this up. Now it should look like this. We're going to tuck our hand in it and make sure to line this corner on the place that was still. Okay, I'm going to get that ant off because there's a ton of ants. I want a squash fold, and I want the squash fold right here. Want to hit this, the edge of the paper, and where this went, goes in the middle, and this is all flattened up. Let me show you. Now it look like this. Now you should flip your paper over, and then you see this crease right here. You want to reverse that crease. So you want to reverse that crease like so. So we're basically folding this crease, the one that's showing up here. You want to fold it the other way. And now your paper airplanes will look like this. I'm sorry, it's hard to show on camera. Now, I think this is the second hard part. Let me get a better view. So, we're gonna take this edge, and then we want to fold it so this edge can go past this corner right here. I'm gonna bring it closer. This corner, and I want to make this, and then you can make like this. Now it should look like this. Then flip the paper over like this. Then fold. You want to fold. It's kind of like the wings. To fold this of the paper to just line up the corners to corner, basically like this. And we want most importantly of this step, we want these to match up. And now flip the paper over, then move this. And now your paper should look like this. Okay, now you see this? This triangle right here. We're gonna fold it. So right here, we're gonna fold it. We're gonna fold it so it can, so we're gonna, this to the right and this to the right too. This one. And then get this and then fold it. Like this. And then make it attached to that. And now you want to, and then you want to fold this off the paper. We're kind of bending it, but that's how it's supposed to be. It's okay if you bend it, that's what I'm doing. And we're gonna switch those so it looks like this and move it to the other side. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Moving this. Then we want this to be the same. It doesn't matter if it's not the same shape, right? At least we want to land it right there. And now open your paper up. Now the paper should look like this. I'll flip the paper up. Plain style. And then we're scrolling it like this. And if you have like these triangles sticking out, you want to fold it. You want to. If that breaks your whole entire plane, just follow me. Now let me fix this. And get these. Get this one. And you want to fold it until the line right there. And you don't have to do it. It's just optional. And now, your paper should look like this. Now basically, you want to fold the smallest one first. You want to wrap it around the whole entire front of the plane. That's making the locking mechanism. So now, hold on. This is going to take a while for me. Just wrap this around the plane, and I'm going to tell you when I'm ready. Now it should look like this. Now you should have another one, and then do the same thing that we did. Wrap it around the front of the plane. Mine's a little bit messy. Just ignore it. I know. And fix that. And now your plane, almost finished plane, looks like this. It's okay if it looks different. I just messed up. Sorry. And you want to flip the plane over like this. And you want like half an inch, I think. Like half an inch. And make it like this. Like half an inch like that. And do the same thing on the other side. And there you have it. My favorite paper plane that I have made yet. Elanus. And it's pretty cold outside. So, sorry we're not testing it outside. it should fly beautifully. Just you have to, there's something called, it's called up elevator, and hold on, and again. An up elevator is like when you fold the wings up a little, but not if you fold the wings up too much, it will just crash down like this and then fall like that. Or maybe just do. So you want to do this, and you don't want to throw it like a boomerang, of course. So that's the end of today's video. Bye.